Hello everyone, I'm Himanshi Jungla from Banasi Das Chandiwala Institute of Physiotherapy. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate lower extremity stretches. Stretching means to extend or lengthen the muscles beyond its normal length to improve its elasticity. Stretching keeps the muscle flexible, strong and healthy. We need this flexibility to maintain the range of motion in the joints, and without stretching the muscle become tight and shorten. So it is important to stretch the muscles to improve its function. Tips for stretching. Stretch should feel like the muscles are pulling gently. It should not be painful, and do not overstretch the muscle or it will be ineffective. And hold the stretch for approximately 30 seconds or 10 deep breaths, and breathe slowly and deeply for all stretching exercises. Let's start with the stretching. Lying hamstring stretch. Take a towel and put it over the ball of your foot. Pull the foot towards you and then bring your leg up towards you as far as you can until you feel a stretch. Hold this stretch for 30 seconds and repeat this for 3 times a day. Long sitting hamstring stretch. Put both the legs in front of you. Now fold the leg you don't want to stretch. Like if you want to stretch the right leg, then fold the left leg. Pull the foot towards you to lock the knee. Now bend forward, keeping your back straight at your waist. Hold this stretch for 30 seconds and repeat 3 times a day. Now, precaution. Do not curl your back. Keep it straight. Now, then lean forward as far as you can and hold the stretch for 30 seconds. Benefits of the hamstring stretching. Hamstring stretching keeps the muscle loose and flexible. Flexible hamstring muscle has several benefits such as preventing the low back pain. It prevents the injury to the muscle itself, and it increases the flexibility and the range of motion of the hip joint, and it also improves the posture. Quadriceps stretching. Quadriceps are the muscle that are present in front of your thigh. So prone lying quadriceps stretching. For that you have to lie on your stomach. Now grab your ankle or your foot with your hand and then pull it towards you as far as you can. Hold this for 30 seconds. You can use a towel, put it around your ankle. Now relax your back not to put stress on your back. Now pull the strap towards you. Hold this stretch for about 30 seconds. Relax and then repeat 3 times a day. If you're not comfortable lying on your stomach, you can side lie and do the same procedure by keeping your knee straight. Kneeling quadriceps stretch. To perform this stretch, place the leg you don't want to stretch forward in the 90-degree position and the quadricep you want to stretch in knee down on the ground or bed. If you have the knee problem already, then you can place a pillow below your knee. Now grab your ankle or foot towards you. Bring it towards your body. Hold this stretch for 30 seconds and repeat it 3 times a day. For further stretch, you can put your front foot furthermore forward and lean forward, and then again grab your foot and then hold this stretch for 30 seconds. Benefits of the quadricep muscle stretching. As tight quadricep muscle can land you to the back and the knee pain, so stretching of the quadricep muscle will help you in increasing the flexibility of the muscle, increasing the range of motion and decreasing the risk of injury of the muscle. Calf stretching. Calf muscles are present at the back of your leg. Long sitting calf stretching. Sit with both the legs in front of you straight. Now bend the opposite leg. Place the towel at the ball of your foot. Hold both the ends of the towel. Now pull the towel towards you. Hold this for 20 seconds. Then relax. Then repeat 3 times a day. And then repeat to the opposite side. Precaution. While performing this stretching, keep your back straight. Of the calf muscle stretching. Stretching of the calf muscle helps to relieve the tightness and the pain from the calf muscles. It helps to stabilize the ankle and also reduce the risk of injury from the calf muscles and the ankle. Piriformis stretching. Piriformis is a small stabilizing muscle in the hip present here. So lift your right leg, cross it over your opposite side. Now place one hand over the knee and other hand over the ankle. Now gradually pull it towards your opposite shoulder until you feel stretch. If this position is not giving you much stretch, then you can try raising your opposite leg. Grab your thigh, pull it towards you. This will give you more intense stretch. Hold this for 30 seconds and then repeat to the opposite side. Of the piriformis muscle stretching. Piriformis is a small muscle in the hip, so usually it is tight and it is used to treat the sciatic nerve pain in the back, hip and the knee, and it also helps to increase the flexibility, and piriformis stretching also helps you to open up your hips. Gluteal stretching. Gluteals are the muscles that are located at the buttock area. Seated twists. So sit on the bed or floor with your legs stretched out in front of you. Now place your right arm behind you. Now bring your right leg over your left knee, placing right foot on the ground. Now use your left arm over the right knee by placing the palms forward. Now twist to the right side using your left arm to pull your knee inwards. Hold this stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, then untwist and repeat on the opposite side. Pigeon stretch. Pigeon pose is the basic yoga move. Practicing the pigeon stretch may release your tension from the hip, your gluteal muscles and your back muscles. To do this stretch, start on your all four position. Now lay your left knee towards your left wrist, placing your shin bone down, and move your left ankle towards your right wrist. Now slide your right leg backward, pointing your toes, facing your hips forward, and extend your spine. Now gradually walk your hands forward. Hold this for 10 to 15 breaths. Now return to the starting position and switch the leg and repeat. Benefits of the gluteal muscle stretching. If you have a tight gluteal muscle, the stretching can relieve the tension and discomfort from the gluteal muscle by relieving your pelvic pain, your pain in the buttock, low back pain, tightness in the hamstring, knee pain or tight hip. The stretching may also help you to improve your flexibility, your overall mobility, increase your range of motion and decrease the risk of your injury.